Hello, hi, my dear students. How are you? How is your studies going on? Myself, Desai sir, your mind maths trainer. Today, I am with 7.4 Finding Square Roots of Perfect Squares. Recap. In class 7.3, we studied application of some algebraic identities you are using at your school. I hope you practice and try these problems and also quiz test. This class 7.4 is a very special topic. The problem of many students is to find out square root of perfect and imperfect square numbers. In this basic class, we are learning mind maths methods for finding square roots of only perfect squares. Methods of finding imperfect squares will be studied in advanced model.
Attend quiz on topic 7. Squares till 100 and square roots at wedens.com.
Some important basic concepts you must know before you start. A square number is obtained by multiplying a number x two times. X into x is x square. Here x square is called a square number and x is called a square root. Square roots have unique properties such as the square root of a non-negative number is always non-negative. Every positive number has two square roots, one positive and one negative. The square root of a perfect square like 4, 9 or 16 is an integer, while the square root of non-perfect squares like 2 or 3 is often an irrational number. If the square root of a number contains n digits, then square will contain 2n or 2n minus 1 digits. A perfect square will never end with the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. And before you start, the numbers which end with the 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0, if they end, they will be perfect squares. Their square roots will have either 1 or the complement of 10, that is 9. And if the square number ends with 4, its square root will be 2 or complement of its complement of with 10, that is 8. If the square root is 9, then the square number is 9, square root will be 3 or its complement with 10, that is 7. If the square number ends with 6, then the square root will be either 4 or complement of 10, 6. If a square number ends with 5, square root will be 5. If square number is 0, square root will also end with 0. Let us see the first method of finding square root of a perfect number. In first step, recall duplex combination method rule given alongside. For single digit a, duplex is a square. For two digits, the rules are given here. You already studied them in the previous topic. Let me take one example to explain you the method of finding square. Find square of 74 and then find its square root by using the method. Let us take a 74 square. It is in the form of ab square. Apply the rule. First rule A, that is a square is 7 square 49, 2ab, 2 7s are 14, 14 4s are 56 and 4 square is 16, and carry 1 to the left place, 6 plus 1 is 7, carry this 5 to the left place, 49 plus 5 will be 54, square root will be 54, 76. Now let us learn the method of new method of finding square root. First step is group a pair of numbers from right to left, 54, 76, right to left. Find the nearest perfect square of first group, that is 54. It is 49. The square root of 49 is 7. First digit of our square root of 54, 76 is 7. Now you write that 7 below. In the third step, double the quotient. First quotient 7. You will get 7 2s are 14. This 14 is the basic divisor. In step 4, subtract 49 from the first group 54. 54 minus 49 is 5. It is a remainder 5. Carry this to the next group as shown, that is 57. Our new divisor is 57. Divide 57 by 14. 14 4s are 56. 57 minus 56 is 1, right? Our new quotient is 4 and remainder is 1. Carry that remainder to the next place. Step 5. Our new dividend is 16. Subtract duplex of 4, that is 4 square, that is equal to 16. From dividend 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Remainder is 0. This completes the square root. Hence, the square root of 54, 76 is 74. Now, let us apply this method to find the square root easily. Take the first example, that is 529. Group them, apply the first step. 5 and 29, and you know that 5, find the nearest perfect square of first group of 5, that is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. The first digit of our square root of 529 is 2. Write the 2 as the quotient. Now double the quotient 2 to get 4. This is the basic divisor. Now divide this particular subtract 4 from the first group. 5 minus 4 is 1. The remainder is 1. Carry this to the second group as shown, that is 12. New dividend is 12. Divide 12 by 4. You get 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 is the remainder and 3 is the quotient. Our new dividend is 09. Subtract duplex of second quotient 3. 3 square 9 from dividend 09. 9 minus 9 is 0. Remainder is 0. This completes the square root. Hence square root of 520 is 23. Similarly, find square root of 2025. Group a pair of numbers from right to left 2025. Find the nearest perfect square of first group 20, that is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. First digit of our square root is as usual 4. Double the quotient 4, you will get 4 to the 8. 8 is the basic divisor. Subtract 16 from first group 20. 20 minus 16 will be 4. It is remainder 4. Carry this to the second group as shown. Now new dividend is 42. Divide 42 by 8. 8 5 is 40. 42 minus 40 will be 2. Remainder will be 2. And carry this 2 to the next place. Our new dividend is 25. Subtract duplex of second quotient 5. That is 5 square 25 from the dividend 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. Remainder is 0. This completes the square root. Hence square root of 2025 is 45. Let us see few more. 32, 49 and group them. 32, 49. Find the nearest perfect square of first group 32, that is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Find first digit of our square root will be 5. Double the quotient, you will get 10. 5 2s are 10. This 10 is the basic divisor. Subtract 25 from the first group 32. You will get remainder 7. Carry that 7 to the next place. A new dividend will be 74. Divide 74 by 10. 10 sevens are 70. 70 minus 74 minus 70 is 74 minus 70 is 4. Our new remainder is 4. You take 49. Our new dividend is 49. Subtracts duplex of second quotient 7. That is 7 square 49 from the dividend 49. 49 minus 49 is 0. Remainder is 0. This completes the square root of the number. Hence square root of 32 49 is 57. Let us find out square root of 40, 30, 96. Group them into 2 from right to left. Find the nearest perfect square of the first group 40, that is 36. The square root of the 36 is 6. First digit of our square root is 6. Write the 6. Now double the 6, you will get 12. 12 is our basic divisor. Subtract 36 from the group 40. 40 minus 36 is 4. 4 is the remainder 4. Carry that 4 to the next place. Our new dividend is 49. Divide 49 by 12. 12 4 is 48. 48 minus 49 minus 48 is 1. Carry this 1 to the next place. Our new dividend is 16. Subtract duplex of second quotient, that is 4. 4 square 16 from the dividend. 16 minus 16 is 0. Remainder is 0. This completes the square root. Hence square root of 4096 is 64. Now let us learn second method. It is a division method. First rule is group a pair of numbers from right to left. Start long division method. After every step, add quotient to the divisor and get a new divisor. A new divisor can be multiplied by only that number which is suffixed to it. We learn this method using same problems discussed in the method 1. This method is very close to the division method you are studying at school. Let us take the first example. To find square root of 54, 76, again group them into 2, 54, 76. Find the nearest perfect square of first group of 54, which is 49. The divisor is square root of 49, that is 7. Divide the first group 54 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Subtract it. Remainder will be 5. As 5 is not divisible by 7. And now first of all you add 7 to 7. You will get 14 according to rule 2. It is our new divisor. Leave the blank space to suffix a number. Now as 14 cannot divide 5, take second group 76 down. Suffix a number to 14, left blank, and the new number is new divisor. Now the new divisor is 144. As per rule 3, multiply by the number suffixed. Here we suffix 14 by 4. 144 into 4 becomes 576. Now you subtract 576, you will get 0, and our square root will be 74. The square root of 54, 76 is 74. Now let us see remaining of them very quickly. Now group them into two groups, 5 and 29. Now, nearest perfect square is 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Take 29 down. Now, first of all, you add quotient 2 to the 2, you will get 4. And you have to suffix a number. The nearest number is 3. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 129 minus 129 is 0. Therefore, using rule 2 and 3, you got the square root of 529 as 23. Similarly, let us try to find out 2025. Group them into 2. Start. The nearest perfect square is 16. 4 4s are 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. And add this quotient 4 to 4, you get 8. You have to leave a blank and you have to suffix number. The number that is suffixed is 5. Now multiply 85 by 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42, and it cancels, remainder will be 0. Therefore, the perfect square root of 2025 is 45. Similarly, 32, 49. Group them 32, 49. Nearest perfect square of 32 is 25. 5 5s are 25. Add 5 and 5, you will get 10. Now to suffix a number such that it will be closer to the, as take 49 down and suffix 7, multiply by the same suffix 7, whole 107, you will get 7 7s are 49 and 1 7s are 7. 749 minus 749 is remainder is 0. Therefore, square root of 3249 is 57. Similarly, we will find the square root of 40, 96, group them as 40 and 96. Nearest perfect square is the 36. 6 6 are 36 and remainder will be 4. Take 96 down. You have to suffix a number and you have to add 6 to 6, you will get to 12 and leave a blank. Suffix 4 to it and you will get 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 12 6 are 48 plus 1 is 49, subtract, remainder will be 0. Therefore, the square root of 40 96 is 64.
Attend quiz on topic 7. Squares till 100 and square roots at wedens.com.
Try these problems, my dear students. That's all in this class, my dear students. Till then, study well, read well, do exercise, regularly go to school, keep your mind and body fit. Soon I will come with a new topic. Till then, bye bye. See you.